Ndewo. Welcome to igboclass.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about 24 Igbo words that begin with the letter A. The letter A is pronounced as A. If you'd like to take a class on Igbo language and culture, do well to visit and join us at www.igboclass.com. Either as a beginner or someone who is curious to learn and know more about the Igbo language, or dịka nwaafọ Igbo. Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. 24 Igbo words that begins with the letter A. 24 Igbo words that begins with the letter A, which is pronounced as A. Aha. Aha. Aha, which is name. Name. Aha, name. Kedu aha gị? What is your name? Aha m bụ Obinna. My name is Obinna. Number 2, nke abụọ, we have aka. Aka, which is hand. Hand. Gosi m aka gị. Aka. Aka. Number 3, we have anya. Anya, which is the eye. Anya. Anya. Enwere m anya abụọ. I have 2 eyes. Mechie anya gị. Close your eyes. Meghee anya gị. Open your eyes. Anya, eye. Number 4, we have aku. Aku, which means wealth. Wealth. Aku, wealth. Enwere m aku. I have wealth. I am wealthy. I know you would like to remember these because everybody wants wealth. Aku, wealth. People take it as a name. Akwabata, wealth has come. Akonna, father's wealth. These are Igbo names that signifies wealth. We have asusu. Asusu, language. Language. Just like we have here, asusu Igbo, which is the Igbo language. Asusu Bekee, the English language. Asusu Yoruba, the Yoruba language. Asusu, language. Ana m amụ asụsụ Igbo. I am learning the Igbo language. The next on our list is Abu. Abu, which means poem. Poem. Abu. We can also call it song or music. Abu, poem. We have so many poems in the Igbo tradition. We have Abunwa, which is the baby's song or the baby's poem known as lullaby. We have Abuara, the war song, Abuoro, occupational song, and so on. Abu, poem. On Abu Abu, she's singing. Akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ, which means book, or sometimes a paper can also be called akwụkwọ. Book, akwụkwọ. We write with a book. Anyị ji akwụkwọ ede ihe. We write with a book. Anyị ji akwụkwọ ede ihe. Number 8, we have Allah. Allah. Allah, which is land or earth. Land or earth. Allah. Izodorukwu n'ala. You are standing on the land or on the ground. Also, ground can also mean Allah. Then we have Allah. Allah. Allah, which means war. War. Anyị na-eje agha. We are going for war. Anyị na-akwado agha. We are preparing for war. Agha, war. We have aja. Aja, sand. Aja, sand. We also have word like aja. This is rising and falling of tone. Aja, which means sacrifice, telling you that the Igbo language is a tonal language. To learn more about tone marking, visit our website at www.igboclass.com. There you would learn more about tone marking. The next word we have is agboro. Agboro, which is used to describe a young girl. A young girl. Agboro, a young girl. We have number 12, asi. Asi, which means lie. Ọ na-asị asị. She is lying. Okwu o kwuru bụ asị. The words she speaks is lies. Number 13, akụkụ. Akụkụ, which means part or edge. We can say akụkụ. Akụkụ ahụ, as in part of my body. Akụkụ ụlọ, the edge of the house. Akụkụ ahụ enwere isi, anya, ntị. The parts of my body, we have the head, the ear, the eyes. Number 14, we have anwụ. Anwụ, the sun. Anwụ, the sun. Anwụ na-acha. The sun is shining. Anwụ na-acha. The sun is shining. Anwụ, sun. Or you can also call it anyanwụ, the sun. Number 15, we have agba. Agba. Agba, the door. Agba, the door. You can also use it as agba. Agba, that is to play. Agba ball. Ọ na-agba ball, that is to play football. Or you can also use it for running. Ọ na-agba ọsọ. Ọ na-agba ọsọ. She is running. But here we have agba. Agba, which means the jaw. Number 16, we have aki. 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 Palm kernel. Palm kernel. Aki. Palm kernel. That is the after product of palm nuts. Akwu. Akwu is palm nut, while aki is palm kernel. We also have aki oyibo, that is coconut. Aki as in palm kernel. Number 17, we have akụkọ. Akụkọ, which means story story, akụkọ, story. Kọọrọ anyị akụkọ. Tell us a story. Akụkọ ifo, folk tales. That's telling stories about folk tales, about animals, the spirit world, even the human world. Akụkọ, story. We have azụ, azụ. That is fish, fish. Azụ, fish. Nne m ji azụ sie ofe. My mommy used fish in preparing her soup. Ọ na-ata azụ. She is eating fish. Ahụrụ m azụ n'anya. I love fish. And I know you also like fish. So if you want to express yourself, your likes, that is, I like fish, you would say, ahụrụ m azụ n'anya. Then the next one, number 19, is akwa, 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 which means egg, egg. Akwa, egg. From this word, you can see that there is a tone marking to differentiate this particular word from aqua, cloth, aqua, cry, aqua, bird. This is to tell you that the Igbo language is a tonal language. And where can you learn about these tonations and tone marking? Visit our website at www.igboclass.com, where you will join a full class on the Igbo language. Tonation is a bonus to that. Number 20, we have aji, aji, hair, aji, hair. The hair on the body is known as aji. Obaraji, she is hairy. Number 21, we have akpa, akpa, which means bag. Akpa, bag. Whatever akpam, get me my bag. Agụ, agụ, hunger, hunger. Agụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Agụ stands for hunger. We have anụ, anụ, meat, anụ, meat. Ana m ata anụ. I am eating meat. Eji anụ esi nri. Meat is used in cooking. Anụ na-atọ ụtọ. Meat is sweet. It is tasty. Then we have aziza, aziza, aziza. Broom, broom. Aziza, broom. The broom that is used in sweeping is called aziza. So you can say, Ejim aziza azolo. I use broom in sweeping the house. This brings us to the end of our lesson today. 24 words that begin with the letter A, which is pronounced as A. Don't forget to join our classes at www.igboclass.com, where you can learn more about the Igbo language and culture. And also like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Till I come your way again, I am Chiamaka, your teacher at igboclass.com. Bye!